Today we are working on the 2025 Wyoming All-State Band Bass Clarinet Etude, and they're both pretty short. We're gonna start with number 1 here, and just to give you a couple pointers, and then we'll go on and play it. So the first thing is you don't have any dynamics. There's no dynamic indication at the beginning of what you should do, and if you look back through the actual Etude, the only thing they've given you anywhere is a piano leggero at the beginning, but that changes throughout the course of the piece. So my recommendation is to start off a nice mezzo forte, give it a nice diminuendo into the second bar, and then really start the piano leggero in the third bar so that it can be very clean and clear. And clearly piano, so something different from where you started. The next thing with dynamics is you probably want to do something with it, or you're going to lose some points on the interpretation part of this. So rather than just playing it all piano, what I would recommend is maybe put a little bit of a crescendo in the sections that are some of those 16th note sections. Maybe put a little bit of crescendo, diminuendo, just very small, and then end the piece with a nice crescendo to, again, maybe mezzo forte to finish it out. So that's thing number 1. Thing number 2 is how are you going to approach the staccatos? And you want to make sure that they're light and clean, and that they don't, they shouldn't sound pecky. They should just sound separate. Never is it something where it's something like, it's hard to even play that way, but nice and dun, 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 has to have a bounce to it, right? And if you're constantly stopping it with the tongue, it's not going to bounce. Sound starts with the air, ends with the tongue. And so keeping them nice and light, use those slurs in the beginning of those to kind of push through them. See how you kind of push through it? Just, it gives a little bit of energy, a little bit of a push to it, but it's never outside of the piano dynamic range. That said, it's really, there's not a lot to this etude, so good luck, practice it slow, and yeah, good luck.